Today on the lake is actually some of the best lead dog training because there's no trail, and so your lead dog has to go where there's not a trail. And the conditions were perfect because it was easy for him because he didn't have to work hard. He had a great pace, and it's really good because in a few months we're going to be on Great Slave Lake in Yellowknife, and you know it's a massive lake, and sometimes the winds come in and there's no trail. So this kind of training couldn't be better for them. 3 laps to your lake was beautiful. Really liked it.
Excellent.
Hey, bud.
Now they're gonna get some nourishment.
Yeah, you betcha. They're gonna get some kibble, some fat, and some water, and some pork, I think, tonight, aren't you guys?
Oh,
Yeah.
lucky doggies.
So Jen, this little girl right here is Whiskey Jack, and I noticed you have some Whiskey Jacks here.
Yeah.
She's a 2-year-old, 2.5, and we have 7 more of her siblings here with us today. A litter of sled dogs is born. They always get a theme. So their theme is birds.
Oh, nice.
So we have Whiskey Jack, and we have Loon, Snowy Owl, Hawk, Aussie or Osprey, and Chica is somewhere too. Chickadee, but we call her Chica.
That's excellent. What a great way to remember names.
Oh yeah.
It's like, wow.
Yeah.
It's faster than
Wow, well done. That gets us beat.
So, what is your passion about dog sledding?
Well, I guess there's a couple of things. Obviously, the first is both Britta and I absolutely love dogs. We have retired dogs in the house. We have a pet dog, like a golden doodle that runs around. So we love dogs. So that's the first passion. And the second passion is we love the bush. We love being outside. We love coming to places like Eliguk, you know, and we've raced all over sort of Western Canada and Northern Canada. And it's just neat seeing other trails and meeting other bush people with your dogs. And I don't think, Britta, there can be a better formula than that.
No, I was just going to say we love the dogs and we love the bush, and we love especially spending time with the dogs in the bush.
The wilderness, the outdoors.
Fresh air,
Yeah.
new country.
Lots of long sleeps.
Yeah. Spending the night outside
Yeah.
with the dogs.
Just coming in here last night, like we left the truck, I don't know, about 9:30 or whatever, and coming on, you know, checking a new trail for us. That was a little bit challenging and technical. You know, it keeps you on your guard, and sometimes you're so excited, sometimes you're so scared you're gonna hit a tree. You're like gonna pass out, but it's exciting.
It's kind of like riding a roller coaster without being buckled in,
Nice.
but hoping you survive.
Well, that sounds exciting.
That is awesome.
Yeah.